Okay, so here, Josh, is your Saito FA-65, which used to be a Gold Knight. As I told you in email correspondence and in that video, I ordered a new lower crankcase because I just didn't feel like trying to get that bearing race out of there. I was afraid I was going to damage that crankcase. So anyway, this lower half is brand new. These parts have been stripped to the best of my ability, and the back cover also. Now, I stripped this head 3 times. I sprayed it down 3 times and let it sit. And even still, let me zoom way in here, even still it's not perfect. And it seems like these areas here are always really hard for me to ever get completely clean. It's almost like that's where the paint adheres the most. So this is what it's gonna look like, which at 5 feet or 20 feet and 40 miles an hour, you're never going to notice. Now, I didn't have the means to gold plate these rocker covers, so these are the original rocker covers. Now I'm using a brass heavy hub here and a washer because your engine did not come with these things, so it will not be shipped back with this or this prop. But this thing is ready to go out, and let's do a quick run and see how she does. Okay, so as you can see, just yet another great running Saito engine. I have no complaints whatsoever. It started easily. I didn't try using the hand, starting it by hand. I typically don't with a engine that's just been rebuilt because they usually need a little bit extra oomph to get them started. But it started very easily once primed. Runs like a champ. What more can you expect from a Saito engine? Thank you for watching.